This is a GE 30-inch gas freestanding range. This is model number JGB735SPSS. Great freestanding range. First thing I like about this, hands down, is the center griddle. It's nice and wide. It's a little bit wider than the last two we looked at. And the fact is, this is a dedicated griddle. There's the burner underneath. There's no racking for this one. You can actually get a racking for it. But I like this. It's closer to the heat. We're going to get a better flame, better product, a little bit wider too, so we can fit a little bit more on. So that's a huge piece. Right here on my left, that's where our power burner is. So that's where really we're going to see that high sear, all that fast boiling water, everything we talked about. Fact is, we got it in the back right here. We got our extra low. We're going to put our chocolate, sauces, melted butter, anything kind of finished. Then they give us the same size mid-range burners over here. Kind of do all that other work. You know, anything we want to side pan sear, just keep warm, things like that. Going to go over the control panel. This is great. I love the gray. I love the stainless. The look is sleek and nice. We got our first two, our bacon broiler, our standard bake. Broilers high and low, so we have a 2-speed broiler. Have that warming function, which is huge on this. You see this on all models. So, you know, click that warming, click start. All of our fully cooked products, hors d'oeuvres, things like that, stay nice and hot, so we don't have to worry about after dinner, where do we have to hold it. Next, the second line down, we're really going to get into some of our great convection features here. So first off is that convection bake feature. It's really where we're going to do like chicken parm. We're going to bake a lasagna, going to bake some brownies, do that great cake. With that convection fan, it's really going to help it out, kind of make it amazing, okay? Convection roast is our next one. If we talk about that, that's going to be that convection fan flying around. We're going to use that broiler element. We're going to use that bake element. You know, Thanksgiving turkey, that holiday ham, all that fun stuff. Again, still a great size in here when I open the oven up. That air fry setting as well, which is huge. Let's talk about this, you know, getting it off the counter. Now we're air frying the wings. We're air frying chips, you know, even, you know, if you want to go vegetarian on it, you want to do, you know, kale chips and broccoli chips, cauliflower, it all fries well. You know, dedicated oven light, our self-clean, and then our steam clean. So we have the two cleans here. The steam clean, that's going to be like a 30 to 40 minute cycle. That's great and quick, you know, nice once over, so we don't have to worry about that. Self-clean is going to be our full guy. Then we have the delay time, the cook time. So cook time's going to run, you know, you're exactly in your oven. Delay time, if we put that ham in, we want to, like, you know, make it 2 hours later. That delay time will help out there. Then, you know, we really have the general egg timer right here. General timer is timer on and off. I want to show you the inside of the oven. This is next. Great stainless steel knobs on these, and I like this too. They really give you an outline of the whole unit. Shows you what burner we're talking about, so there's no guesswork involved. Open this up, you know, great rack, plenty of room. Convection fan is nice and big is what I like, so it's really going to push that air. See at the very bottom, the steam clean, we add a cup of water, run that cycle. This is a good once a month thing to kind of get that, you know, loose stuff on and off, and we're not running that heavy cycle. Great window on the door, great light. This is a winner under $1,000, right?